how to buy top turtle token. Now this is their X account. Now before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before you invest in any project that you find on my channel, do your own research. Now if you want to access to their website, just click on it and you can now access it. Now how to buy the top token or turtle token. Now first of all, it is available on PancakeSwap. Now what you need to do is select the chain, as you can see here, if you want Ethereum or Polygon or anything that you want. Now after that, because I have connected I will just disconnect it. Now connect your wallet. Now select the wallet that you want. For me, I will just select the Trust wallet. Now click on connect. Now after that, tap how much you want to buy BNB, or as you can see, the token that you want to, like USDT, as you can see here. So I want just buy 10 USDT. So this is how much you will receive of top. Now because I don't have enough USDT, now you can now buy or fill your wallet by USDT. Just click on pay it now. And now as you can see, this is how much I want to buy, like for 100 USD to be able to buy USDT. Now here select the providers. I will select Transact because I selected every time. Now click on continue. Now here in this page, now you will buy USDT by your credit card or by Apple Pay or Google Pay. Now after you fill your USDT on your wallet, you will be able to buy the top. So this is how to buy top turtle token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.